Bob Ross and Peapod the Squirrel. Written by Robb Pearlman. Illustrated by Bob Ross with Jason Kayser. My little squirrel friend, Peapod, needs a new home. He keeps dropping pepperoni in my hair. But we looked high and low, and we can't find the right one. Wait, I have an idea. Now then, let's have some fun. We'll use blue to paint the sky. And then we'll use white to make happy little clouds that just float around and have fun all day. We can use a painting knife too, which is like a regular knife, but you use it to paint, not to make sandwiches. We use the knife to spread a mix of blue and brown and crimson to make mountain tops. Then we use a paintbrush to make the mountain bottoms. It's just that easy. Peapod likes to ski, so let's add some snow for him. Oh no, there's nowhere for Peapod to go. Let's use green and blue to paint a meadow before he gets to the bottom. Phew! Peapod's quick stop made some of the paint go splat. Oops! Well, that was a happy accident. Don't worry, Peapod. We can do whatever we like in our world. Let's use even more green and blue and some brown and even some yellow to paint a whole forest of trees and bushes. Here's your bravery test, Peapod. Add more blue. And now there's a pond. Isn't that fantastic? I knew you could do it. How about a few more trees and bushes and grassy things? Let's just look at that and enjoy it. I think we're finished, don't you? Now this is a home for my little squirrel friend Peapod. And not a bad spot for me too. Happy painting! The end. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.